Hey guys, it's Trevin Scheller, owner of MightyWolfTV, and in this video, I wanted to unbox something that I got as a reward for becoming secretary. My mom just gave me this, and I had no idea that this thing existed. It's a Joy-Con comfort grip for Super Mario Odyssey. It's a Mario Odyssey edition. Let's look at the side, and let's look at the back. See, it's like putting gray Joy-Cons in. Yeah, I actually don't have a comfort grip, but I've got free grip. I already have free grips. Like, I did not know I was getting this. I didn't even know the Mario Odyssey comfort grip existed. But from what I'm looking at right now, it looks really cool. And also, by the way, guys, I just reached 400 subscribers. I'm very happy about that. I literally just reached 400 subs. So anyway, let's go ahead and open this. Hold on, gotta get some tape over here. I mean, tape. Scissors, sorry. Okay, so... definitely don't want to damage the box because I really want to save it. I save boxes. And by the way, I am getting Odyssey on release day. And I'm gonna stream it on MightyWolfTV Gaming. The day it comes out. Probably gonna stream it with my dad. We're gonna do co-op. I'll tell you, this thing is not easy to open. Sorry if this is taking a while. Alright. Here we go. So, first thing we get is some plastic. Woo! And here it is, the Super Mario Odyssey comfort grip. I'm gonna try to focus the camera on it. Oh, and as you can see, the back's got some more detail into it. That's just... ooh. Oh, this feels nice. Ah, I've never felt a grip like this before. And just look at this. I'm gonna have fun playing Mario Odyssey with this. Let's go ahead and put some Joy-Cons into it. And boom. I think it would actually look better if I were to put in a red one. Like if it was red on both sides. Yeah, I feel like the Joy-Cons can be taken off this so easily. It doesn't click on like most grips. There, look at this. The Odyssey comfort grip in its best form. The red Joy-Cons. This is how I'm probably gonna be playing Odyssey. It looks so cool, like this. I'm sure you guys probably want to see the Odyssey grip with the other colors. I'd actually like to see that. Let's go ahead and get the other colors I have. I've got another blue one. I've got some yellow. Alright, now let's see what the Mario Odyssey comfort grip looks like with the blue Joy-Cons. That actually looks pretty cool. I won't lie about that. That looks pretty good. Now I'm really interested what it would look like with yellow. looks okay. Yeah, yellow's not too fitting for the Mario Odyssey comfort grip. I'd say the most fitting color is the red, obviously. Blue, that may have looked interesting, but this doesn't exactly fit it at all. I mean, a little. I mean, the yellow matches his buttons. That's pretty much it. I mean, see, how would red and yellow work? It looks decent. But yeah, I would much recommend the neon red on the comfort grip. I mean, it looks pretty cool. But yeah, guys, I'm very excited to play Super Mario Odyssey on its release day. So anyways, that's it for this video. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. More videos coming soon. And have a good day, guys.